Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So previously we talked about how to make a iPad app, and mainly we focused on navigation part. And in this video, I'm going to further complicate this app by using not only just two columns, but also I like to have multiple columns where you can filter things. And I might just got a sort of a data a model that can have a lot of data, and so I can get a container and put all data in there, and say you got a lot of mail, and I can classify mail as inbox, as sent, as outbox, as draft, as spam, and you can filter using the logic that you write at the back end. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. And don't forget, I really need your help. Please subscribe, and if you think my video is helpful, please give me a thumb up. And you know the drill, yeah. And yeah, so yeah, let's get to it. So first thing we're going to do is to instruct. Let's get another struct for the data. Okay, so this will more like a classification kind of thing. So let's add another struct, and I might as well just using Visual Studio Code for quicker completion. Okay, so struct here, and I'm going to say that will be a mail classification. That will be a one mail, or each of the mail. Let me just name it one mail. Okay, that one mail will be identifiable, and yeah, that's pretty good. ID, name, content, identifiable, and hashable. Okay, and the content, we need to change it. Let's just use yeah, instead of let me just fix it by using let, and we can let our mail obey our mail. So we can sort of embed this enumerator here. Okay, so every one mail will have a specific name, and I think it's got a unique ID. We can like filter it, loop it. We don't need to worry about that, because every mail is definitely different because we got a unique ID. And of course, we can get different classification. So sometimes we can say it's a spam, sometimes we can say it's a send, because it's just dummy data. And I think I might I'll need to create another view for that, because we got 3 columns. So I'm going to write another struct. That will be let's just name it one mail list view, because that will be a list view of a different one mail. Okay, and we got view binding selected. Let's just check this. Binding. Well, that will be definitely binding selected mail. A mail, yeah, that's good one. We got body of list, mail, all cases. Yeah, so basically got all cases. Yeah, we want part of that, but not all of it. So let's just accept this, but leave all the content inside. Yeah, leave all the content inside gone, deleted. Because right now, I like to generate a sort of dummy data for our move. Yeah, this movable, filterable column. Okay, so sorry about that. I got a really bad cold recently. Do take care. Okay, let's create a container that can contain all the things that we can move and filter. So we got a mail. Let's write a. Of course, we can use whether it's selected as a binding. Yeah, as a binding. So we can select that and unselect it. So I'll say inbox or outbox, something like that, and then we can filter and move something out from the container. Or yeah. So let's write a container. So let our mails will be let's write some dummy data. Remember, I just write one mail, so I can use one mail to generate a lot of things. So one mail, things are just a container, and I think I got names. Yeah, let me just use this. And there's no pop, so let me just write it down. Mail name will be a string, so the mail will be hello, or something like that. And this mail will have a classification. Okay, so I can say dot, and it will be inside my inbox. Okay, and I'm going to write a lot of mail in inbox, and let's just add some dummy data. Okay, so one mail. Let me reformat that. Okay, it'll be hi, yeah, and how was your day? Something like that. And yeah, I think Copilot can automatically fill this for me. I am fine, something like that. I'm fine. And let's just see whether I'm fine. I'm fine. But thanks to Godot UID, even though we got the exact same name, it doesn't really matter. Hello world, something like that. And okay, so they will be all inside of inbox. And what about I change that to say we got the sent. Okay, sent and hello world. Let's just copy that multiple times. And hi, it is I make something like that. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and one mail. Yeah, just one, and then I'm going to say there will be sent outbox. Yeah, I think outbox that said is the same. Never mind. I just got two of outbox, and then I got say something of some dummy data. It's a little bit dumb. Yeah, I think. Yeah, why there is no auto completion? Yeah. Dots. Instead of outbox, I draft. Make it draft. Okay, drafts, and let's just leave one for draft. or maybe 2. Three maybe, and definitely need to reformat that. Let's go back here to look at whether it got actually updated. Okay, I think I got the wrong places. So first, let's just make it reformat it. Mail detail view. Let's look at it. That's definitely not the right place, so sorry about it. I think it's the one mail list view. Sorry about that. Select mail. We got body. Yeah, I think this binding shouldn't be here. Okay, this is just I added. So it should add to this place. And then we can let our mail be our mail. Sorry, wrong places. I got a little bit confused. And the let can be at before the actual body, and let's just leave this. Yeah, we got spam, so maybe just 2 more. So if a person sent me too much of the mail, hello world, I'm going to make it spam. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and after that, I think it's a good time to just close it. Yeah, so the last let will missing missing return. How strange. Spread container literal. Okay, we got var, but we haven't got. Yep. Let's warm me up. It doesn't seem to have any problem right now. So I'm just going to leave it here. Then I will going to finish the var and yeah, what is inside, and yeah. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay guys, sorry about that. I finally got it working. So basically, the naming convention is a little bit weird. So I fine tuning the name because I name variable on the go, and yeah, sometimes I just forgot about my naming, and I have to make it consistent. So basically, the final product will be like this. Okay, so we got this filter, we got inbox, send, outbox, draft, spam, something like that. Every time you click it, it will filter the mail. And right now, if you haven't select mail, this column will be empty. And please select mail. And once you select it, this is detailed mail just selected. Hello world. Okay. And say I got this. Hi, is William Jamin. This is detailed mail just selected. Hi, is William Jamin. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, something like that. And yeah, so this is the final product, and I'm going to go through my edited version very quickly. So basically, I changed the name to mail and one mail. So the mail will be the classification of the mail. Okay, we got the inbox, send, outbox, draft, spam, and then one mail will just be every one mails, each of the mails structure will be identifiable, hashable. We got a UID string, and we got the mail as a classification. So I can say I can classify that by initialize input a name as well as say the classification is inbox, something like that. So I generate a lot of mail, and we got one mail list view. So we got the mail as well as binding of selected mail, because you're going to select it, and once you select that, like the selected mail and selected one mail. Okay, so selected mail will be right now it's just like default inbox, but of course you can change it. So selected mail will be the selected the different classification of the mail, and selected one mail will be the exactly one mail that you selected. Okay, this is a little bit hard, a little bit mouthful, but once you know that, everything become easier. Just be consistent, right? And once you got the content selected mail as well as selected one mail, so we got the different classification of mail as well as the specific mail selected, you're going to change the state variable, and we got this binding here. So select mail will change, and the binding select mail will change, so the mailing list view will change, and one mail list view will change as well. And yeah, that's basically that's the logic behind it. And I also got a filtered as well as a the logic of detail view. So if you got selected, actually selected, we're going to show the the mail detail view, and I'm going to pass the selected one mail as one mail to the mail detail view here. So we can say of course you can add multiple things here, and right now I'll just show the text, because the text is the most straightforward way for doing things, and proof of concept. And of course I also transfer the data, and then else if there's nothing selected, please select the mail, something like that. Okay, so yeah, so we already achieve a lot, and I think that's pretty much all for the iPads as well iPhones navigation that we currently use a lot of this right now. And I think in the later tutorial I might demonstrate how to do that on Mac, because I recently developed a few apps for Mac's App Store, and it's great fun. And things Mac we can distribute it without use of App Store, and you can distribute yourself. But you can also notarize it by Apple, which means that it's signed by Apple. So the client's computer can say, hey, this app is safe, it's notarized by Apple, and you can safely install that, and you can distribute that on your own without the restriction of App Store. That's brilliant. Like a half-opened platform, so it'll be a great fun to do Mac development, especially you want to distribute that without actually let Apple to review it, because the review will give you something might. Of course, depending on the app as well as the workload of Apple's review team, but sometimes it's really quick, just a few minutes. Sometimes we can spend as long as say half a month wait. So yeah, you have to wait a really long time, especially if you say really need this product to push to the market. You have to wait. So so of course, if you just a proof of concept, you can use Mac development. So yeah, right now I think this series of navigation tutorial will be the end of it. And if I encounter something new, I'm going to record and make new videos. And of course, in this in the mini project series, I'm going to update some of the more complex and more much bigger project than this toy project. Okay, so stay tuned, and don't forget, if you think my video is helpful, please subscribe and give the video a thumb up. Thank you so much for your support, and bye.